Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix a Steam game update that's stuck at paused. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Steam app and log in with your credentials. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the upper left corner of the screen where you'll see the library option. Click on it to access all your installed games. This is where you manage everything related to your game downloads and installations. In the left panel, you'll see a list of all your games. Click on the game that's stuck or paused. Once you select it, look for the download section on the main panel. Here, you'll find a resume button. Click on it to restart the update. This simple action often resolves the issue immediately, as sometimes downloads pause due to temporary connection issues or system interruptions. Alternatively, if the resume option doesn't work, there's another approach you can try. In the left panel where your games are listed, right-click on the game that's stuck or paused. From the context menu that appears, select Properties. This opens a new window with various options for managing that specific game. In the left panel of the Properties window, click on Installed Files. Here, you'll see an option to verify integrity of game files. Click on it and let Steam scan through your game files. This process checks for any corrupted or missing files that might be causing the update to pause and automatically replaces them. You'll need to wait a moment while Steam completes this verification process. If the issue persists, let's adjust your download settings. In the upper left corner, click on Steam, then select Settings from the drop-down menu. This opens Steam's main settings panel where you can configure various features. In the left panel of the settings window, click on Downloads. This section controls how Steam handles all your game downloads and updates. Look for the Download Region option. Right beside it, you'll see a drop-down menu. Click on it and select the region nearest to you. Choosing a closer server can significantly improve download speeds and stability, which often resolves paused update issues. After selecting your preferred region, click Restart Now. Steam will close and reopen automatically, applying your new download region settings. Give it a moment to restart and reconnect to the servers. If you're still experiencing issues, there's one more solution to try. In the left panel of settings, click on Storage. This section manages where your games are installed and stored. Click the drop-down menu and select the local drive where the game experiencing the stuck update is installed. This helps Steam focus on the specific storage location that might be causing problems. Now click on the three dotted lines icon, then select Repair Library. This powerful tool scans your entire game library on that drive and fixes any underlying issues with file permissions or corrupted data. Wait for the repair process to complete, as this can take a few minutes depending on your library size. And that's it, you've successfully resolved the Steam game update stuck at paused issue using multiple methods. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.